सुजॉय, पहले इस फिल्म का नाम कहानी 2 हो रहा था, फिर आपका एक और सब्जेक्ट था दुर्गा सिंह रानी, तो दोनों को आपने मर्ज करके एक नाम दिया या किस तरीके से ये स्क्रिप्ट
No,
आई?
we really like that name, so we kept that name. And I think each a sequel should always have an identity of its own. So whether it's Vidya Bakshi or Durga Rani Singh or whatever the name that you want to keep. So that's one of the reason we kept a name for the sequel. Instead of just calling it Kahani 2, you must give it an identification of its own. We felt, and hence we gave that.
Hi Sujay.
Mr. Sharia.
Faridun from Barulangama. Brilliant stuff, Vidya, as always.
Thank you.
Hugely respectable, actually. Sujay, my question to you was, in fact, what I think Vidya was saying a short while back, that comparisons with Kahani 1 will obviously happen. You know, one thing that immediately comes to mind, and I think that's a baggage that you'll have to carry, is the Bob Biswas factor. That character became like hugely popular. In fact, Vidya was outstanding. The music was outstanding. You know, people will search for something like that because that's an iconic character that you created in part 1. Do we have something like that maybe in Kahani 2 as well?
Yeah, Durga Rani Singh.
No, obviously it is there, but I'm just saying in terms of comparison because that was a brilliant character. Shashwata Chatterjee was outstanding.
No, when we set out to make this film, it was a very conscious decision to not have anything attached to the other kahani. Right. If you're going to make a separate story, it has to be completely independent because, you know, as it is, we are going to get compared, right? So I'd rather not have any spillovers from kahani to kahani 2. Right. So inshallah, you'll find some newer characters in this one who will be more exciting than Bob Biswas, if not equally. So.
Okay, thank you.
सुजॉय,
कौन?
मैं आशी म्यूजिक इंडिया से बोल रहा हूँ.
Hi Sujay, over here.
Hello.
My question to you is, Jayanti sir just mentioned that there'll be a Kahani every year. So do you have any idea for Kahani 3 in mind which you will work on after the release of Kahani 2?
ये तो मैंने प्रेशर दिया सुजॉय को.
See, not necessarily that I have to do Kahani 2 or Kahani. I mean, I did Kahani 2. I mean, Kahani 3 is not an absolute necessity that I have to do Kahani 3. I think anybody who has a strong subject can take it forward also, But if I get a story before anybody else does, then I'll take it forward.
सुजॉय, मेरा सवाल आपसे है. पिछली बार कहानी में फिल्म का टैग लाइन था कि मदर ऑफ अ स्टोरी. इस बार मदर की ये जो कहानी आपने पूरी तैयार की है, एक मदर की होगी या फिर?
हाँ, ये माँ की एक कहानी है.
नहीं, उस टाइम मदर ऑफ अ स्टोरी था, ना कि स्टोरी ऑफ अ मदर. तो इस
this is also another mother of a story.
ओके.
सुजॉय, अपने लुक कैसे आप छुपा सकते हैं, क्योंकि बहुत सारी फिल्मों के लुक बाहर आ जाते हैं शूटिंग के दौरान, तो आप ऐसा क्या करते हैं कि ये जो लुक हमें देखने को मिलता है ये पहले नहीं आता और सही टाइम पे ही आता है, कैसे छुपाते हैं आप?
कैलमपोंग ले जाके शूटिंग कराते हैं. He's saying look बाहर नहीं आया.
How do you not reveal the look?
नहीं, अक्सर शूटिंग के दौरान एक्टर्स के लुक बाहर आ जाते हैं, जैसे 3 के भी कई सारी तस्वीरें आ गई थी. माइक पे बोल दीजिए ना.
I'm saying she's like this only.
Yeah, I wear a sweater even
Vidya
in Bombay.
Balan, Vidya Sinha, Durga Rani Singh, जो भी बोलो सब एक ही है.